The question is, when is corrosion not corrosion? So I have some corrosion on my VW Passat. This was previously repaired in 2011 under the corrosion guarantee, as I thought, but it would appear that VW are now claiming it was done under the paintwork guarantee, which means it only had a 3-year warranty, despite the letter from VW saying that it actually was done under the corrosion warranty, which is 12 years. So I'm now discussing the matter with VW, but just to show that corrosion on tailgate, this has happened in a very different position to previously, where previously it's been under the number plate light on a different vehicle. These ones, the later models, actually had an improved seal around the light which stops them corroding, but we have got corrosion just here underneath the wiper blade.